We're gonna make an omelet real quick. All you need is 3 eggs. We're gonna add a touch of salt too, just a pinch. Bring in your pan, turn your heat on, some clarified butter, add in your eggs. Start moving them around. You can do like this motion. Now they're not moving as much. We're gonna let it kind of sit for a second. Gonna add in some goat cheese. The eggs are still pretty soft. I would throw this in the oven for like 10 to 15 seconds. We're gonna put a little heat on it with our torch. So gooey. Oh, beautiful. A little butter on top to shine it up. A little sea salt on top. Some chives. This is seriously, do not skip this. Chives on an omelet are the best. Then we have some herbs de Provence. There you have it. French omelet filled with goat cheese and herbs de Provence. Cheers.